Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tools, like Pocket, Datum Plane, Datum Point and Plane. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 3D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. These are the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 3D drawing into 3D solid part. Click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. Now create the first sketch on XY plane. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. Select the centered rectangle and sketch on the center point. Select the sketch and extrude it by 18 millimeters. Now, we create the upper part, which is defined as position 2. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Let us create reference edges from the existing part. First, create roughly the shape of the profile and put the dimensions later. First, constrain the curves and then put the dimensions. Now, assign the dimensions. As you can see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and extrude it by 38 millimeters. In step 3, we remove material from the created part. First, we create a sketch plane. To create the sketch plane, we use the 45-degree line and the point B. First, extract the reference edges. Now, we create the point B. Activate the point tool and then select the right and bottom endpoint. Move this point 56 millimeters upwards. Now, activate the plane tool and then select the line and the point. Create a sketch on this plane, and the sketch should be greater than the rectangle. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool. The 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Changing the appearance of the created solid part. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.